how to change all public Facebook posts to only friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Facebook app and then go to the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings again and then scroll down here under your activity, tap on activity log and then go to your Facebook activity and you find manage post. Tap on it and go to filters, tap on categories and then here tap on your post photos and videos. Here you'll find all of your Facebook posts. You can just tap on all and then go to the three dots on the bottom right and then go to change audience and here tap on change audience again and then you can set it to friends. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.